Good afternoon, y'all. It's the night before my wisdom teeth surgery. I'm getting all 4 taken out. We're gonna see if I can make a vlog out of this whole thing. I'm assuming a lot of it's just gonna be me, like, literally in pain. Maybe I'll act a little loopy, who knows? I've been scared since I was a child to get my wisdom teeth out because I'm so afraid of how I'm gonna act afterwards. Ashley got her teeth out a couple years ago. She acted totally fine, like she didn't even say anything funny. So I'm hoping, honestly, the same thing happens for me because I'm kind of really scared of what I could say. I'm also really scared for the healing process because I have to get all 4 taken out. They're already coming through, like they've been hurting. I'm kind of scared. I didn't even make mashed potatoes. Somebody's gonna have to do that for me tomorrow. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm meal prepping for my wisdom teeth surgery, except the only meal I'm making is mashed potatoes, but they're gonna be really good and I want to show you how to make them. Here I've boiled some yellow potatoes, and then I'm trying something new with some shallots, or shallots as Gordon Ramsay says. Avocado oil. Let's see if this is fact or cap. Oh, it splashed me. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes now. The shallots are burning. They're not burning.
And we're like, I'm not even gonna lie, that looks kind of effed up.
Actually, you gotta be kidding me. This is like the most beautiful shallots. These are gonna absorb the shallot flavor.
They're gonna just sit there and absorb the shallot flavor.
They're gonna absorb it.
Yeah.
The milk. I also added garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Okay, bros, it's time for the official potato taste test. We look like us, the duo.
I'm so fancy.
Mashed potatoes, yeah. Mashed potato, yeah. Mashed potato, yeah. Anyways,
What?
it's mom laughing.
at us? Why
Why are you laughing? Oh, I just realized it was the Krusty Krab tune.
Oh.
Krusty Krab. I know I was copying something, but I forgot what it was.
Krusty Krab!
Well, these are our little bowls of mashed potatoes. I did Yukon Gold potatoes, and I made my own homemade gravy. Hey, not yet, not yet. Wow, I kind of killed it. Mom, do you want to try it?
Tastes like Thanksgiving.
They're so good. The crazy thing is that tomorrow's Andrew's birthday, and I'm getting my wisdom teeth out. So Charles will probably come over to celebrate the birthday, and he'll get to try my mashed potatoes. Every year when I make gravy on Thanksgiving, I'm like, maybe I'll just have to keep getting my wisdom teeth out all the time so I have an excuse to make gravy. Because otherwise I can't make it.
Why?
So against the gravy rule book. But anyways, I'm just gonna eat as many crunchy foods as I can tonight. And then I'll probably just see you guys tomorrow. Yay! Peace! I'm ready to go. The braids. Got the sweatpants. Here's one last look at my teeth. Bye. I call that math for mathematics.
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply, I call it math for mathematics.
They like put the IV in me and the woman was like, oh, they're like starting to put the anesthesia. So like, oh, it must take a while for the anesthesia to kick in. But that's the last thing I remember. But then I just like immediately fell asleep, I guess. And then immediately was woken up and they're like, it's done. And I was like, what are you talking about? That was crazy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Happy birthday, bro.
You got a lot of blood on your lips.
Make me a smoothie.
Are you okay?
Make me a sandwich.
You got blood on your phone case, man.
Oh.
How are you feeling?
Let's go get a smoothie
Why
from
don't
that
you
place.
like lick your lips like this?
No.
Why?
I like it. Can we go to a smoothie place? I just want that peanut butter jelly smoothie that tastes like acid. Peanut butter jelly smoothie.
Do you feel amazing right now?
Now I gotta take my 600 milligrams of Tylenol. What's up, y'all? It's later in the day. We celebrated Andrew's birthday, and I'm wearing one of his headbands I got, and I'm eating a jarred peach. Look how much I can chew it. I feel fine. Good morning, y'all. It's the day after I got my wisdom teeth out, and I'm literally chilling to the max. I woke up, and I was expecting to have to take another ibuprofen when I woke up, another 600 milligrams of ibuprofen. But I literally woke up, forgot I even had my wisdom teeth taken out for like a full hour, and then I was like, oh, yeah, that did happen. And then now I'm just chilling, didn't have to take any meds. Literally, like, I know that I can like feel that I got them out, but like it doesn't hurt really.
Ate avocado toast for breakfast.
Yeah, I made avocado toast on like a nutty bread, which is like the last thing I should do. It's like covered in seeds, which is really bad for wisdom teeth because it could get stuck in the holes. But I ate it.
And I hope it doesn't get infected.
I've been doing salt water and mouthwash rinses like all the damn time, so I should be fine.
Me and Amber had the same surgeon.
He did a really good job.
He did a really good job
for both of
like,
us.
yeah, for mine, like mine never really hurt like at all. Like I think I didn't take medicine after like the first day either.
Yeah. The one thing that was annoying me yesterday was I was just like hungry, and it took so long to chew things so slowly or just like not chew them at all. And I was just getting pissed. I was like, I just want to have a bunch of food in my belly. So then this morning I woke up, I was like, I'm eating avocado toast. But oh well. And then now we're getting smoothies. This is another PB&J smoothie, and I actually got a salad from the place. What's in the salad?
Lettuce, arugula, tofu, walnuts, cranberries.
Sounds rather dry. But yeah, pretty much I'm enjoying the smoothie because I feel like it has the peanut butter in it, kind of ups the calorie. I'm just trying to eat like a bunch of calories because I was so annoyed when I couldn't eat a lot. And I'm also just like bad at eating very quickly in general, so like I was eating extra slow and eating like less, and I was like, oh, I'm just hungry. I'm making ramen for lunch. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. It's a little bit different, okay? This is our bowl that we're gonna put the ramen in. This is vegan mayo. I don't recommend this brand, literally, but anyways.
Don't eat this one, eat the Hellman's one.
Seasoning packet goes in. This is my favorite soy sauce. A little splash. Now this is something new I'm trying because I really need to get my greens in. So I'm gonna try blending spinach and water to make a spinach liquid that I'll pour into the ramen. You just have to trust me on this, okay? A green sauce. My ramen is done boiling. You ready to watch this? I'm draining out the water. Now we go back on the stove. We got our vegan egg. Gonna pour in a bunch of that because that makes a delicious sauce.
A delicious sauce.
Yeah. And then here's my other idea. Adding the green sauce.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. And now I'm gonna cook it again to cook the egg. Look at that bubbling away. Basically, look at how thick this egg sauce got.
OMG.
It literally looks amazing. And when we mix the egg with the mayo, it like coagulates to make a crazy sauce. Usually I do this without the spinach. I've never tried it with the spinach before. Pouring it right in, bro.
What are those like chunkies in there?
It's vegetables.
No, so it looks pretty good actually.
Okay.
Oh, pepper right there. Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit.
Ew, now it's the poop sauce. Except the flavor is literally immaculate. The noodles are broken because we cooked them way too long. Oh. It's so good. It's so good.
Seriously? Your green noodles?
Isn't that just like a delicious thick sauce?
Yeah.
Like rather than eating it like a soup where it's just watery, it's like you eat the whole sauce too.
Yo, this is kind of fire.
And you don't taste spinach at all.
Yeah, you don't.
Like you literally are just like eating a bunch of spinach without ever tasting it. Like I would highly recommend people try this. Literally.
Yes.
It's like when I'm at college, I eat this all the time. I've never added spinach before, but that is like a amazing thing I just discovered.
Because like you might as well add it if you're not even
Yeah,
gonna
literally.
taste it.
Like I want to be able to eat my greens and not taste it, so it's so good. I bet if I were to make this on TikTok that it would be like the next viral recipe because it literally looks crazy and it tastes delicious. The sauce is like fluffy.
Yeah,
because
from
of
the
just
eggs.
egg. It's so good. Like I literally cannot explain to you how good it is.
You like that?
Well, there was my secret recipe for you guys. You're welcome. You better try it. It's literally my favorite food to eat, especially at college because it's so quick. Hello, it's day 4, I think. I got my wisdom teeth out Thursday and now it's Sunday. But now I'm in the kitchen making some croissants. I got these at Whole Foods. These were in the Whole Foods refrigerator and they're vegan croissants, so we're gonna bake them. We're gonna need some vegan Nutella, some jam, some cheese. Croissants are done. Look at my cheesy one. Wow. I'm gonna eat mine with this vegan cheese. It's so yummy. This one Ashley made for Dad. Nutella and strawberry.
I'm an artist.
This is my cheesy croissant. And the cheese sauce that I made of vegan cheese, vegan milk, and some seasonings like nutritional yeast and onion powder.
5 seconds. Second time. Oh my god.
Mmm. Mmm.
This is mine. Nutella filled with...
You spilled it.
Oh. Do you want to try a bite after me?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mmm. It's really warm. Mmm.
It's so good. Oh yeah, bro. I love your sauce.
I know, right? Stop eating it. Hello, guys. It is Monday. I got my teeth out Thursday, so that's been about like 4 days or
It's
something.
been about like maybe 8.5 days.
Probably been about 2.5 months. So a little bit of an update. I don't know if you can see, but I do have some bruising, like right here on my chin and on this side too. Because yesterday I had big lumps of swelling, and I was like, "Go away, go away, go away!" and I was rubbing them, and now they are bruised.
Okay, so you bruised them yourself, is what you're saying?
Well, the swelling
No.
caused
I literally,
the
I can't believe you did this.
But update today, my mouth and everything feels a lot more normal today. For like the first time, it feels pretty normal. I was able to like actually chew things, and it feels like I'm not biting on my cheeks constantly. I ate pho for dinner, and yeah, the only big thing is I got bruises now, but those should go away just fine. So now that my face is pretty much back to normal, I think this is where the video comes to an end. If that's okay with you guys. I literally just got my wisdom teeth out for the vlog content, so
Imagine.
enjoy the
She didn't even have wisdom teeth. They just took out her molars.
Yeah, they literally just took out random molars because I was like, I need to vlog something. I really enjoyed looking like Bolbi for a week. I literally had a square-shaped head for the past couple days, and I still kind of do, but it was a really good time. So thank you guys for watching. I'm glad I could share this with you guys. That was literally the only good part about this. So I'll see you guys soon. Have an awesome day, everyone. Peace.